We were waiting for the casita to come. We already had a crane set up. It just all fell together really easy. The contractor knew exactly what he was doing. Way cheaper than a stick-built home. Quicker way to start making money because you can set it up so quick. The contractor was there just for the day to get it set up. We clicked on the power and all the power worked. Went inside, the water worked, it was all ready to go. It was turnkey as far as everything functioning, but we put in the furniture and everything to where it was livable. A lot of people, when they first walk through that door, they're saying, wow, this thing is way bigger than I thought it would be. I think a lot of it is the high ceilings, but it is really roomy. We decorated it just like a beach house would be decorated. It's nice having a divider that divides the bedroom from the living room. And a lot of people love having it open like this, be able to see all the way through. Our first Airbnb booking was a little nervous, but those people have come back 4 different times. And financially, we're starting to make money. It's starting to pay for itself very well. And I can see it getting a lot busier too. We're real close to a lot of national parks and state parks, so we get people from all over the world. We'll have someone from Germany staying there next month. Over here, we're going to be putting a second BOXABL, a whole different personal resort. It's going to look like a cabin. It'll have a cabin facade. This is the beach house, this will be the cabin. And we have 4 other lots out here that we plan on putting casitas on and renting them out also. A BOXABL is very practical for people to set up. You can set one of these up and be in it within a week and be able to afford it. It makes it really nice.
What advice would you give to someone watching who's considering a casita for Airbnb purposes?
I would say do it. Go ahead and get one for Airbnb. You can set it up any way you want. You can paint it whatever you want. And it'll be set up and paid for really quick.